Hi, I'm Joel Hamilton. I'm here to introduce you to one of the most exciting things in music theory. And so today it's going to be an introduction to the music theory. And through this clock and through the expansion of the clock, the many clocks on the internet using music theory and helping with the circle of fifths, but we're going to expand it so that it covers everything you need in music theory. So from knowing the clock, you'll have answers quickly. In fact, you'll go from knowledge and understanding to gifted. So this is what we're looking at, and we're going to begin by using the word bead, like a bead you wear around your neck. And that would be B-E-A-D. And then girls can fly. Girls can fly. So we have bead, and then girls can fly. And we're going to start at 5 o'clock. And at 5 o'clock is a B. So we're going to put a B there. And then at 4 o'clock, we're going to put an E. And at 3 o'clock, we're going to put an A. At 2 o'clock, we're going to put a D. At 1 o'clock, we're going to put a G. At 12 o'clock, we're going to put a C. And at 11 o'clock, we're going to put an F. So now we have B-E-A-D-G-C-F or B-E-A-D-G-C-F. Bead, like you wear around your neck, and then girls can fly. So now that we have this in place, this is going to tell us how many sharps we have. This is going to tell us the number of sharps. And we use sharp with a sharp sign. It's like a tic-tac-toe sign. So now we see that the key of B has 5 sharps. And the key of E has 4 sharps. And the key of A has 3 sharps. The key of D has 2 sharps. The key of G has 1 sharp. And the key of C has 0 sharps, 12 or 0. And then the left side, F, has 1 flat because it's going to the left. Okay. So a quick little quiz. So the key of A would have how many sharps? 3 sharps. And the key of D would have how many sharps? 2 sharps. The key of C would have 0 sharps. The key of G would have 1 sharp. The key of E would have 4 sharps. And the key of B would have 5 sharps. So we set this up as bead, B-E-A-D-G-C-F, B-E-A-D-G-C-F. And in music, we're going to learn to use things forwards and backwards. So now going backwards is going to tell us what those sharps are. For example, the key of D has 2 sharps. And those 2 sharps would be F and C. So go over here. C, E, A, D, G, C, and F. So the key of D has 2 sharps, and those are F and C. So the key of D has an F sharp and a C sharp. The key of A has 3 sharps, and that's going to be F, C, and G. So the key of A has 3 sharps, and it's going to be an F, C, and a G. The key of G has 1 sharp, and that's going to be an F. F sharp. The key of C has no sharps, so has no sharps. The key of E has 4 sharps, and that's F, C, G, and D. That would be an F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and a D sharp. And the key of B has 5 sharps, so it's going to be F, C, G, D, and A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it has 5 sharps, F, C, G, D, and A. Nice job. That is our first lesson today in music theory. It is the beginning of a very, very exciting piece of work as we continue to work with this circle and to expand with it. So thank you very much, and I'm excited to grow with you and to be doing good and getting better with your music.